Alright, so here we have another box from Tuna Crate. And this is June's box. Rebuild, tune, repeat, build. Then that's it on the design of the box. Other than that, simple white box. And then a member sticker just to seal it off. Alright, let's open it up. Alright. Start off with the cards. Usually the first thing that's on top. Got an R35, GTR, Corvette, Shake and Bake. I feel like this should have been in the other box that we got last month. It was Talladega Nights. But Shake and Bake sticker. Rebuild, build, tune, repeat. And it's the fastest who get paid, and it's the fastest who get laid. Pretty funny. If you ain't first, you're last. That's a lot of Talladega Nights stickers on this one. Here's the deal. I'm the best there is, plain and simple. I wake up in the morning and I piss excellence. Now we got the other card. Got a air freshener. Oh, got another hat. Endangered species. That's pretty dope. Save the stick shift, y'all. Nobody ever. It's all about automatics nowadays with these companies, but stick shifts, man. All my cars right now are all stick shift. You gotta keep them alive. Oh, that's pretty dope. I got R35 GTR. Little car. From GL Muscle. Another face mask, like I said. Always come in handy. Can never have too many of these. Then we got a shirt. 1 out of 2. Nothing on the back. But same as the design on the box. Rebuild, tune, repeat, build. Then shirt number 2. Okay, this one does have something on the back. So car scene, rip. And then for the front, race service, tuner crate. Don't know where this is from, but it's a key. It looks like a keychain. Just doesn't have the little loop, but it's like a little monkey. Then we got a pin, one more ride. A spark plug. And then lastly, dedication. If you ain't first, you're last. Ricky Bobby sticker. So here's the Ricky Bobby Talladega Nights big ol' sticker. Dedication. If you ain't first, you're last. A bunch of Talladega Nights, this box, and then the last box we got a whole bunch of stuff. And we got this sticker right here. It's the fastest who get paid, and it's the fastest who get laid. And that's Ricky Bobby's dad. And just a regular old face mask, always coming in handy. Still don't know where this is from. If you know where it's from, let me know in the comments. But yeah, that's a keychain. It just doesn't have a little loop, but you can put something through there, like a little metal ring. We can find one that fits. Oh my god, you're getting first, you're last. Same as the big sticker from earlier, basically. Just a regular air freshener. Don't know what it smells like. Can't really tell, but when I do, when I open it, I will find out. But for now, it's just gonna stay closed. Then here's the other sticker. Here's the deal. I'm the best there is. Plain and simple. I woke up in the morning and piss excellence. Ricky Bobby Coat. We got a whole bunch of stickers. And then we got Shake and Bake. Tuna crate. Sounds like it runs. And then we got the build, rebuild, tune, repeat, build. I don't know how you read it. I don't know if it's build, repeat, tune, rebuild. I don't know how it goes, but pretty dope. Spark plugs. Then we got the three cards. I think this is the NSX from Acura. It looks like it's the NSX, and then we got the R35 GTR, and then the Corvette. Then one more ride. Just a pin. That's pretty dope. R35 2014 Nissan GTR. And no blue. Pretty cool. Everything from the box is endangered species. The manual, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 reverse. The snapback. This is a pretty dope hat. Because you know everything's going automatic nowadays, and nobody wants to drive manual anymore. But here's the shirt. One of the shirts, race service tuna crate. And on the back says car scene RIP tuna crate. That's the first shirt. And then lastly, the second shirt, same design as the box. Nothing on the back, but it says the rebuild, build, repeat, tune on it with 2 spark plugs. And there's the little monkey again. I don't know where it's from. I don't know if it's from there. From Primal Driven. I'm not sure. But let me check the other shirt. It might be from them. But yeah, those are the shirts. Alright, so that's the June's box for Tuna Crate. And I do apologize, there's a few planes flying in the background again. I do live by the Air Force Base, so they're always out. But yeah, if you guys are interested, I'll leave a link in the description and you guys can check them out.